Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can buy YouTube subscribers, Facebook followers, Instagram followers, TikTok followers, and rest of them. So if you're among those searching for how you can buy YouTube subscribers and get your channel monetized, all you need to do is to stay with me in this very video to the very end. So I'll be taking you step by step on how you can buy YouTube subscribers and get your page monetized. Feel free to smash the like button, share this video so that you get to others. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so as you always be notified early whenever I post awesome content like how you can make money online and awesome videos like this. So the first thing you need to do now is to go to your web browser. On your web browser, search for Insta followers. So right here you can see the first thing you need to do in this website now is to register. So you can see register over here. You click on it, take it to this place. So the first thing you do here is put in your email and your password and click register. So for me now that I already have an account in this website, I will go ahead and log into my account. All right, so you can see the features in this website. You can see the features. Guys, just something about this website is that you are free to buy without likes, followers, subscribers, comments, or you can buy followers and subscribers for any social media handle. As you can see the features over here that you can buy Instagram likes, Instagram followers, Instagram views, Instagram comments, Instagram reels. You can see TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Threads, and rest of them. So this website is very awesome. And another awesome thing about them is that their prices are very cheap. So right now, before we go further ahead, I would like to show you how this website actually works. So you scroll down, you can see how this website actually works. So right here, you can see how it works. So let's click on it and see what's here. So how Insta followers works. The way Insta followers work is that here you are free to choose a service. Since you are to choose whether you are to buy Instagram followers, YouTube subscribers, Facebook followers, TikTok followers, and rest of them. So another something about this website is that no password or permission is needed. All you have to do is to enter your profile link or your username, then become an influencer, grow your online presence and reach people more than you can imagine. So how does Insta followers work? Insta followers is unlike any other social media services. You buy once from Insta followers and the result are permanent. Guys, this is awesome. So Insta followers doesn't use bots. Insta followers, you buy once from Insta followers and the result are permanent. So another thing about this website is that it gives you automated engagement services. Insta followers automated engagement services will save you the trouble of buying likes, comments, views, etc. for each of your posts. Auto likes, for example, instead of buying likes for every one of your posts, you can buy once and your post will get likes as soon as you post them. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Insta followers. So the step-by-step guide on how to use Insta followers is what I'm going to show you now. So stay with me as I show you step-by-step guide on how you can buy followers on this platform. So to buy followers in this platform now, all you need to do is just to come back to home and see home about this place. So what we want to buy now is YouTube subscribers. So you can see YouTube subscribers here. Click on it and then it will take us to this place. So the first thing you do in this place now is you can see their services. You can see 2,500 subscribers at the rate of $42. This is awesome. You can see 5,000 subscribers at the rate of $76. You can see 10,000 subscribers at the rate of $144. You can see 50 subscribers. You can see 100 subscribers. So anyone you want to buy here can buy. So the first thing you need to do here is come down. You see channel link. You see subscribers quantity. That is, in this website, the minimum quantity you can buy is 50 subscribers and maximum is 10,000 subscribers. So the first thing you do now is to go ahead and copy the channel link. So go to your link. Let's go and copy a channel link. So you can see this channel, it has no subscriber. What we do now is to copy the link of this channel. You can see it has only but 4 subscribers. So let's go ahead and copy the link of this channel now. So you can see it. Link copied. All right. So here we paste the link, the channel link. You can see the channel link over here. So how many of the subscribers do we want to buy? So let's say we want to buy 1,000 subscribers. So you come over to this place. Let's say we want to buy 1,000 subscribers. Type in 1,000 subscribers. So you can see the amount in dollars. That 1,000 subscribers will cost you $19.4. This is awesome. There's no other website that can offer you this type of price to increase your YouTube subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, the next thing you do is that you go ahead and click buy now. So let's go ahead and click buy now. So the product is adding to your cart. Please wait. All right, so we have completed the first stage. The next one now is to complete the second stage. You can see these are the transactions I've been making. So guys, another something about this website is that you can use it to generate money for yourself. This YouTube channel that I want to increase now, the guy that owns it actually paid me to grow his YouTube subscribers to 1,000 subscribers so as he can be able to monetize it. All right, so you can see here the guy paid me $200, and over here I'm buying it at a rate of $19.4. This is awesome, guys. You can use this to make money for yourself. One thing about this website is that their followers, their subscribers are permanent. Once you buy it, it is automated. Both likes and comments will also be automated. Whenever you post, you make a post on Instagram or your YouTube or any place that you buy followers from this website, you will always be automated likes and comments. So guys, this is awesome, guys. So since we have completed the first page, let's go ahead now and complete the second stage. You can see the transaction I've been making in this website. So to complete the second stage now, what you need to do is just to click payments. So you can see you have completed the first, we're on the second stage now. So to complete the second stage now, you can see payment method. So payment method now, you can pay with cryptocurrency by Coinbase. You can pay with credit or debit card by checkout. So you can pay anyone you want to pay, anywhere you want to pay, you can actually pay. But because of this video, I want to pay with credit or debit card. So you go ahead and click credit or debit card. Then it will take you to this place. So in this third stage now, what you need to do here is just to put in your full name in this side. Here is individual. You can see country. So my country is Nigeria, not United States. So I'll go ahead and click on this drop down menu, drop down arrow, and choose my country. So let's go ahead and choose my country here, which is Nigeria. So you can see it, my country is Nigeria. Then I'll go ahead and put my full name here. Then phone number. So before you put in your phone number, you have to choose your country code here. And my country code is Nigeria plus 234. So you search for it down here. Once you click on this place, then all these ones will show. Then you search for your country code and choose. So let's go ahead and choose my country code here. So you can see it's the country code. I'm choosing my country code. So the next one I'll do now is to go ahead and put my phone number. So this is my phone number over here. Then the next one you do now is to put your email address in this column. Here is your address. Address can be any place, whether your state or your local government, any place you reside. So once you fill in these details, the next thing you are going to do now is to pay by credit or debit card. You click on this place and then security check. I'm not a robot. So wait for it now to see what that will happen. This is order is being processed. Please wait. So to take it to this place now, first thing you have to do here is to put your card details. This is card holder name, the card number, the expiring date, and the rest of them. So once you fill in this stage now, the next thing you have to do now is to click pay now. So let me go ahead now and fill in my details in this column now. So you can see it's successful. So what are we going to be expecting now? So what you'll be doing now is to wait for like 2 minutes, then go back to that YouTube channel and click on it and see whether the followers have entered, or if it has not increased, you have to refresh to know if it will start increasing. So you can see it now, it is still 4 subscribers. So let's go ahead now and refresh to know if subscribers will start increasing. All right, guys, you can see this is awesome. You can see 1.0 subscribers, 1.04 subscribers. This simply means that the subscribers that we buy have actually come over here. You can see it has increased from 4 subscribers to 1.04 subscribers, which is 1,004 subscribers. This is awesome, guys. So I believe you enjoyed this video. If you really got value in this video, feel free to smash the like button, share this video so that we get to others for them to watch, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so as to always be notified earlier on whenever I post or some content like how to make money online. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.